In this activity, you will learn how to create a Google Doc within a shared folder. What we are going to do is just basically add or insert an image and a little bit of text. Um, so go ahead and select your professional development folder that we previously created. Hopefully by this point you've already created some kind of folder structure. But we're not gonna create this Google Doc within a folder. We're just gonna kind of leave it out here. Again, you can always drag and drop within a folder if you wish to do so. Go ahead and click the new button. And this time we're going to go ahead and select Google Docs. It's going to ask us if we want to create it within the shared folder. Yes, we do. Because the amazing thing here is that if you have two people working on it, you'll notice that there's going to be, once this loads, it's going to be your colleagues will populate here. There's going to be a little portrait. My colleague is offline right now, but you should see someone here. um, so let's go ahead and give it a title. I am not going to uh, go over all the different functions, but it's very similar to Microsoft Office in terms of the tools and the kinds of things that you can do. I am providing a link to a Google Docs tutorial pages that really go into detail about all the different functions in here. But for now, just a few things that will get you going with Google Docs. So let's go ahead and give it a title. And we're going to call this Practice Google Doc um, session or Practice Google Doc is fine. And go ahead and click Enter. And you're going to notice right away that it's under normal text. It's gonna, yours will probably be Arial as your standard font, size 11. I have size 12 here. And one of the cool things about, I don't know how they did this, but they, if you type the title and you click up here, it automatically adds a title to your document. And since I'm on a different tab, I can always switch back and notice that it's right there. You don't. The one great thing about Google Drive is that it automatically saves your items with the correct title. Everything's done in real time. Depending on your internet speed, everything will be saved in real time. Every time I make a change here, it'll automatically say saving. All changes saved in the drive. So you can always just see that I can type anything I want, and you notice it's automatically saving. So that's a nifty little feature. Um, so there it is. And what we're going to do is I like to center my title. So let's go ahead and put our cursor in the front, click the center icon. Again, very similar to Microsoft Office. We have left, center, and right. Let's go click and center. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert an image next. And sometimes I personally think this is the best function of Google Docs. Is you can insert anything except videos. You cannot insert YouTube videos anymore. You used to be able to, but they took that option out. And the only other you can insert videos in Google Slides, but not in Google Docs anymore. So we're going to go ahead and click Insert, and you can insert many different things. Again, uh, I'm not going to go into detail about all these. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Image. And Google is Google. They're very organized in how you can insert images. You can drag and drop an image very similar from your hard drive, from your desktop, from your pictures folder on your computer. You can take a snapshot. I'm not going to click that because I look like a mess right now. But that basically turns on your camera, and you can take a picture, a selfie, essentially, if your computer has the camera. Uh, we're actually going to use this function. It's going to be by URL. Um, actually, uh, before I do that, you can also select folders from your personal albums if you have Google Photos, your Google Drive, or you can search for an item. You know what? Let's search for a picture instead. Uh, and let's choose something educational like professional training and let's see what pops up. I'm feeling lucky today. All right. So just like a typical search on their Google, you're going to see images here. And you basically select any image you would like. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. It resembles everyone's smiling face, hopefully. Click select. And that's it. That's how you insert an image. And you can pretty much manipulate the image by selecting it. There's a couple of inline means that the image stays within the line. Sometimes if you have a lot of text and you're building a magazine, you might want to select wrap text, because what that does is it wraps the text around the by resizing it, you can actually wrap the text, similar to a newspaper or a magazine. That's what that's pretty much for. If I don't like the changes I made, I can always click undo, redo right up here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, we can caption this. Let's go ahead and give this a caption. Open quote. I love professional training because I get to learn cool stuff. All right. Now, if you select the text, you can change the size of it, just like in Microsoft Office. You can italicize it. You can center it. And that's pretty much it in terms of Google Docs that we're going to cover. And feel free to play around with this, but basically the possibilities again with Google Docs, it's endless. There's so much to Google Docs. So I highly recommend you explore the link, which I'm going to provide for you right now. And the link is right here. I'm not sure why I put a 1, but that's the link. It's a short link. You can actually take a really long link from Google. You can type under search, you can type shorten link, and you can actually insert that link, and Google will actually shorten for you, so it's easy to remember. So it's goo.gl, like Google, and then you have a backslash, and then you have the short link, which is easier to remember. And that's where you will find VT, lowercase, capital T, 5, capital V, capital G. That's where you will find the tutorials to everything about Google Docs.